Case hearing scheduled for October 31st will proceed after all. That decision was made yesterday by the judge presiding over the case.
The El Paso District Attorney's Office filed 2 motions arguing that there was improper communication between the judge and the defense, seeking to delay next week's hearing. Our KTSM 9 News reporter Jesus Baltazar brings us more from the courtroom.
District Judge San Medrano conceded to the prosecution's request to unseal 4 court orders that were made public Thursday evening, but denied their request to delay next week's hearing.
All right, please.
At a new hearing Thursday afternoon, and with Walmart shooter Patrick Cruzias present, prosecutors of the Walmart shooting case argued that District Judge San Medrano and the defense had improper communications in the form of ex parte, meaning they were carried out without their knowledge.
That if you're going to present something to a court, you ought to have the other party there and have it heard and just...
Meanwhile, Cruzias' defense responded to the prosecution's motions by arguing that the prosecutors were conflating ex parte documents with sealed documents.
Is that what they're trying to do is to get the court to ignore their misconduct and focus on a side issue.
We're adjourned.
After the hearing, both sides briefly addressed the media.
He kind of partially granted our request, so we'll have to see what those orders say. Again, the very nature of those orders mean that we don't know what those contents of those orders are. So.
Violation of the court order, of the gag order, that the court has instructed us not to speak to the media, not to talk about the case. That's the first thing they do as soon as they leave the courtroom. So fortunately, that's all I have to say.
Following them, a family member of victims killed by Cruzias on August 19th also addressed the media, saying the focus should be on honoring the victims.
You know, just keep all of the victims in your prayers because they are still hurting, and this trial is making it worse.
District Attorney Bill Hicks wouldn't confirm whether they will appeal Judge Medrano's decision. Now again, the hearing scheduled for October 31st will move forward and will begin at 9 a.m. in the morning. Reporting in downtown El Paso, Jesus Baltazar, KTSM 9 News.